Hey everyone, welcome back to Dathan Days. Last time we were inside the Acropolis Mall checking out all the fresh launches and brand new machines. But today it gets even better because we are outside in the parking lot and it is absolutely packed with bikes. Track bikes, cruisers, sport bikes, naked monsters, you name it. It's all here. The vibe is insane. Engines everywhere and it feels like a full on celebration of two wheeled passion. This is the end of biker season 2025. So let's see what's rolling in.
So guys, if this is the first time you're looking at an international biker event, man, you are missing out on a lot, seriously, because I'm just heading inside and right away I see the race motorcycles. So look at these beautiful motorcycles, the S1000RR, the 2018 body, the new body, and we've got some pretty good bikes as well. So we have the trophies as well, the trophies that the bikes has won. And oh my god, what a location. How much I've missed the bikes. Look at this bike. It's a three-wheeler bike that we have. We have all sorts of bike here. And check out this R1. It's done pretty well, a race livery. We've got the helmets as well. So, and the trophies that it's won. We've got this custom motorcycle here which has the headlight from a Diavel. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's got a headlight from a Diavel. It's got a V engine and yeah, it's a pretty good motorcycle. We have a line of Harleys. Oh, this bike is the one bike which you guys need to go check out. This is the Honda VFR. This was an automatic bike, 1200cc that Honda had bought out, which is very reliable. This came like around 10 or 12 years back. Not really sure on the year when it came out, but it's a pretty good motorcycle. Then we have some Yamahas, Hondas, a lot of motorcycle, and people are just arriving. So we have the Triumph Tiger 850 just randomly standing here, and then we have the S1000R, the naked version of the S1000RR, the V4 Street Fighter, and the Ninjas, the big elephants, 1250s, and yeah, the Touareg. Yeah, here you see it, guys, the Touareg. I think this is the 660. Yeah, and this is the taillight that I was mentioning about. Look at how beautiful it is. It's a complete new offering. And yeah, it's a pretty good motorcycle, the Touareg. We need to get this in India because it's a very fun motorcycle. We see a lot of Harleys. People are just arriving, so a lovely crew that's turning up. And check out this motorcycle. This is like a scooter that has three wheels. It's a pretty good offering that they brought out. And the elephant just casually standing there. Hey, look at this, beautiful motorcycles. This is the old Goldwing. Nice to see a Goldwing here, but not sure with the year of this motorcycle. You guys let me know what is the year. We have two motorcycles, one in this gold and one in this burgundy color. Look at this, man. Oh, guys, check out this. It's a Goldwing with a sidecar, and the sidecar is like proper closed. He's just opened it up to put his things inside. So yeah, that's the new Goldwing, and this is the old Goldwing. And we have this BMW 1200, which some of the bikes, even I don't know that these bikes exist. Just look at this. We have a lot of biking people, a lot of biking enthusiasts all over. So guys, here we have one of the vintage motorcycles. Not really sure on what year and what brand this is. It says KHH or something, not really sure. This is a Russian motorcycle, but it's really nice to see this kept in such a good condition. But yeah, it's a pretty good motorcycle. Guys, check this out, the Ninja 6. are the very well known R1. Beautiful motorcycle. And my very favorite, the S1000RR. This is the 2015 to 2018 phase that they had. This is my dream bike. And then we have the R1 just casually standing here, and we have the R1 which with the winglet, and yeah, we have this R1 as well, which this is my favorite phase of the R1, the alien phase as people call it. More, this I think was brought in at 2009 2008 something, not really sure, but this is the phase that I really like. Then we have the Kawasaki. This is the 1000 Z1000, the very first models. So we have quite a few Javas here. All the 350s that we see here, I think they're all leaving. Not sure. So this entire line is full of Javas. Hi. So, and then we have the Harley crew entering inside. Look at all these beautiful motorcycles among the modern motorcycles. So guys, that was the end of Biker Season 2025 event. It was a pretty good event. It was just like a gathering of bikers all together. There is something going on there, but it's really crowded. But yeah, it's overall just like a small meetup. Small meaning it's like hundreds of bikers just showing up here, because after this you will not be able to ride because it starts snowing here. So this is the end of biker riding season, but it's nice to see the brotherhood, the bikerhood here. So that's a wrap on the event. So hope you'll enjoy the video. Stay tuned.